Let me show you what's different about this new lakefront listing. The stillness, the view, and oh, the exhale. Inside is a wide open space filled with natural lighting so that the lake is always a part of your day. Imagine waking up here with the natural light pouring in and that same feeling that you had throughout the home. Coffee in the morning and sunsets in the evening. To the inside, where life just slows down. This is the perfect lake home for you. If you would like to tour this home, you know what to do. Call me.